Good morning. It's a lovely overcast day today. Today I'm going to be revealing the winner of the 5,000 subscriber mechanical keyboard giveaway. But first, I want to show you something. So I said in my previous video that I'd had some painters around to do some work, and I want to show you the rooms because they look amazing. In here we've got, I think, what was described as latte brown. It's a beautiful color. Then in here we have this white and blue color scheme that looks really nice. There's my dog. So, why am I showing you guys this space? Well, this is actually going to be my new talking heads area, as well as probably almost everything else. See, the problem with my old space is that I think I've pretty much maxed it out in terms of what I can creatively do with it. Plus, it's way too cluttered to have all my stuff in there. I got my desk in there. It's just too much stuff for one space. This room also has some lovely backdrops behind me. We have my kitchen. Over there, we have that bookcase. We have a wooden oak desk there that looks gorgeous. So I think I'm gonna have a lot more fun shooting at this space. If you're not having fun when you're doing photo and video, then well, you're doing it wrong. Okay, let's have a quick little tour of this area, then I will announce the winner. Okay, I hope you guys all enjoyed that new office tour. I think this still looks a little bit dark. I need to get another light for there. Okay guys, so now we're on to the main topic of this video, the winner of the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. And the winner is, drumroll please, Simi. Congratulations. I will send you an email by the time this video goes up. I'll get your address then and we'll send you the email. I'm sorry to the rest of you who entered and didn't win. In an ideal world, I'd want to give all of you keyboards. But once again, congratulations Simi. I hope you enjoy your new keyboard. In fact, let's go pack it right now. Dear Simi, congratulations on your new keyboard. Thanks for being a real one. Enjoy. Will. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Remember to like this video. If you want to see more content like this, then smash the subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 10k by April the 1st, so every single subscription is massively appreciated. I'm done for now, and I will see you on Monday.